So good afternoon, everyone. Again, I hope you guys are all doing well. And during this time that we have here together, it's really going to be an opportunity for you to take care of yourself and create that space to just pause and relax. I know it has been a really busy Q4, so it's really important that we find the time throughout our day to just take a pause and again, making sure we're taking care of our own bodies. For those of you who have never done meditation before, don't you worry. It's going to be a seamless process. Just try and do your best with following along with the script that I'll be reading aloud. And what I encourage you to do throughout the reading is just continue to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Before we do get into the meditation, I just want to highlight some of the benefits that meditation has, especially when talking about them and how they can help the workforce. So there's been so much research conducted on meditation that has shown benefits for both our mental and physical well-being. And so, especially when it does come to the workforce, meditation can help with improving our focus and attention span, helping to improve our compassion for others, and to, most importantly, cultivate self-compassion for ourselves. And then also helping to reduce any anxiety or depression symptoms that you may experience. And so again, doesn't have to be such a big practice. We're gonna just take 5 minutes here today to go through a body scan meditation, which is really gonna hone in on some of the different areas of our body you may feel a little bit of tension in, but with that awareness comes power, and we can work on paying attention to what our body needs after. So to get started, I encourage you to try and limit any distractions as you can. I know that may be hard, right, depending on where we were, but silencing my cell phone, closing the door. I encourage you to find yourself in a comfortable position. Doesn't mean you have to be so straight up. Just find yourself with your feet flat on the floor, your hands gently placed on your lap, and somewhere where you just feel relaxed. So we're gonna first start by taking a nice big deep breath in through our nose and out through our mouth. And this is a rhythm I encourage you to continue with throughout the meditation. With every deep breath you take in through your nose, I want you to feel the sense of relaxation rising. And with every exhale, just focus on letting it all go. Letting go of anything that does not serve you in this moment. And throughout this meditation, you may find that your thoughts may wander to different places, plans, or worries. And that's okay. It's a little bit difficult to completely shut off our mind, but when those thoughts do arise, recognize them. Don't place any judgment on yourself, and continue to focus back on your breath, where you can help anchor yourself down to this present moment. So we now are going to bring our full attention into our body, continuing to breathe in through our nose and out through our mouths. I want you to notice the feeling of the weight on the body of what you're seated on right now. Notice if you are feeling comfortable, uncomfortable, or maybe you're feeling just right. As you continue to breathe, notice how your chest and abdomen expand. Allow the air to enter your lungs. And as you exhale, bring awareness to the stillness of your breath. And notice the sense of relaxing more deeply. Now I want you to bring attention to your head, noticing any sensations on the top of your scalp. Bringing that attention back down to the base of your neck, just right where your head and your neck meet. Bring your awareness to your face. Loosen the muscles of your jaw. Unfurrow those eyebrows. Relax your mouth. And just let your face be soft in this moment. Relax the muscles around your eyes and your mouth, continuing to breathe in and breathing out. Shift that attention now down to your neck and your throat. Let your body be soft in this moment. Notice your shoulders and your arms. Relaxing your shoulders, placing them far away from your ears as you can. Allow any of the tension that you move from your shoulders, feel them down to your upper arms, your elbows, your forearms, your wrists, and then all the way down to your hands and your 10 fingers. Notice any tightness you may feel here. With any tension that you might recognize and be aware of, I encourage you to breathe in through that tension. And upon your exhale, breathe out any of that discomfort. Bring your attention back to your chest and your abdomen, feeling the movement in your chest as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Moving that attention down to your stomach, noticing if your stomach feels empty, full, tense, or tight, and just let it soften and be. Bring awareness now to your upper back and your lower back. And if you're holding on to any tension there, which I'm sure a lot of us are from sitting down throughout this long week, again, just breathe in that tension, and upon the exhale, let any of that discomfort go. And continue to notice and be aware of these feelings you're pointing out on your body, and ensure to take care of them after this meditation is done. Now continue to travel that breath and the attention down to your legs, your thighs, your knees, your calves and your shin, all the way down to your ankles, and then finally bringing that attention down into your 10 toes. Notice the sensations of your feet against the floor ground. Notice the weight that is under you. And understand that you are exactly where you are supposed to be at this moment. And as we finish up our body scan, continue to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now taking notice of your whole body from where we started to the top of your head and all the way down to your toes. And as we close, continue to remain aware of your body throughout the day and what it is asking from you, and be sure to give it what it needs. We're going to finish with one more big, deep breath in through the nose, feeling the sense of relaxation rising, and then exhaling and letting it all go. And that concludes our body scan.